In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Surveymonkey survey not anonymous, so you can capture respondent information effectively by configuring your collector settings properly. Whether you're gathering feedback for a project or conducting important research, it's crucial to know who your respondents are. This will help you gain more insight and ensure accurate data collection. So, let's dive right into the process. First, we'll head over to the Collect Responses section. Begin by opening your survey within Surveymonkey. Once you've got your survey up and running, you'll want to click on the Collect Responses tab at the top. This tab is your gateway to managing how you're going to distribute your survey and collect valuable responses. Next, it's time to select the collector that you're using. You might be using a web link, an email invitation, or another method that best suits your needs. Click on the specific collector that you've chosen for distributing your survey. It's important to know that the collector type you pick can affect how you gather respondent information. Once you've selected your collector, you'll need to adjust the Anonymous Responses setting. This part can vary slightly depending on the type of collector you're using. Head over to the options within your collector settings. Often you'll find this under Show Advanced Options. Here, you'll locate the Anonymous Responses setting. Now you want to set this to Off. However, depending on the type of collector, such as email invitation or web link, you may have additional choices to consider. If you're using email invitations, setting it to Not Anonymous will record email addresses, names, and IP addresses, as well as any custom data you might be sending along. On the other hand, there's an option for partially anonymous settings, which will collect custom data while excluding email addresses, names, and IPs. So, if you're more concerned with privacy but still need some identifiable data, this might be a viable option. For web link collectors, simply turning anonymous responses off will enable logging of IP addresses, which can be useful if you need to know the general location of your respondents or if you're looking to prevent duplicate responses. Finally, after making these selections, you'll want to ensure all your settings are saved. Click on Save or Update Collector to apply these changes. This step is vital to make sure your adjustments take effect and the collected responses are properly identified. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively make your Surveymonkey survey not anonymous, capturing essential respondent information effortlessly. This setup not only enhances the quality of your survey data, but also provides you with deeper insights into your audience. Remember, knowing who your respondents are can greatly contribute to the success and reliability of your survey results. Thanks for watching, and happy surveying.